Hey YouTubers, Steven here. Just spending the day out on a beautiful river in Musquodobit, and me and the kids are out fishing with some friends, and so far no luck, but it's a beautiful April morning. The winds are calm, sun's warm, so let's hope we catch something today, and let's have a little look around at the lake, or the river, sorry.
Weather's holding up nice though. Beautiful. Really nice. We had a wicked fly by a couple of Canadian geese there. They went down the river right low, walking all the way through.
And of course, no one had their camera near them.
There, that's how we do. There we go, Sean. We got 3 casting and 3 just sitting here.
Perfect. Covering everything.
Yep. Yeah, are you using green?
I'm using flat red.
Red. I need a worm.
Go dig some. My friend Sean and our friend Sarah, and Cole's back there somewheres.
Oh, I see him.
There he is in the red hat.
Ooh, I got a boo-boo.
He's using his new reel that he won from the Department of Natural Resources contest for the best photo. He's enjoying his new rod and reel and tackle.